Hello guys, welcome back to our channel IELTS Winner. Hope you all are doing fine and staying safe. So this is about the complete review for morning and evening slot of IELTS exam conducted on 9th October only for academic student. Includes both all listening, reading, writing and speaking questions. The predictions went true and the questions were similar to what we had predicted in the October writing list. So if you haven't received that, please message me and I'll provide it for free. Also, today at 5 p.m. Indian time, we are conducting a reading session that will be for all and it's free. You can participate in it and you can get practice on the passage that we are going to do from the latest book, Cambridge 16 Test 4, the General Cambridge 16 Text 4. So we'll be solving and we'll be telling you how we got the answer. So if you want to join, please message me on the WhatsApp. The number is given in the description box and I'll share the link with you. So let's see how the exam was. So first, let's see for the morning slot. The morning slot listening was easy to moderate, but very fast. Part 1 was a telephone conversation about flat inquiry, that is note completion, and these are the answers. Again, I'll tell you that the listening answers are not accurate. It is given by the students, so there may be corrections or wrong, and they are not all there. So if you know the correct answers or the answers that are not given, please give in the comment box. So part 1 was Grassland North, 17 September, Weasley, Town, Leader, room number 9, Top, Wheels and Garden. Part 2 was a conversation about given by a guide about some town center. So he was giving introduction about a town center and it was about map and MCQ. So it was ACBA, DCG, DBE. Part 3 was a 4 students discussion about a survey. It was large MCQs, AA, CB, CC, ED, AG. Part 4 was a monologue, that is a talk, a lecture, academic lecture on arts and statues. And the answers were, notes completion was statue, donations, food, people, team, fee, loyal, center, art, area. So the answers may not be accurate. So please wait for them or write the correct answers if you know in the comment section. Reading was moderate level as we had expected. Passage 1 was about Australian deserts. It was easy. I didn't get the passage for this, but the answers were something like this: true, false, not given, and then it was note completion. True, not given, false, true, not given, false, true, western, rainfall, vegetation, south, inhabitants, and herbivores. If I get the passage later on, I'll be sharing it on the Telegram. The PDF of this is in the Telegram of IELTS Winner. The link is also given in the description box. So you can download the whole passage and practice from the Telegram channel. So passage 1 was about Australian desert. Passage 2 was moderate and it was named as Birth of Blue. Okay, the passage name was Birth of Blue. So you can see the passages from the Telegram. I'll just scroll it or else the video will be very long. Okay. The question types that came were fill-ups type, that is summary completion. Then it was about choose the correct letter, that is MCQ. And then it was again, look at the description and types of blue. Okay, so you had to matching features. These are called matching features. So these were the answers for Birth of Blue. Minerals, technology or science, ancient Egyptian, technological innovations, B, C, E, C, G, D, B, A, F. Reading passage 3, this one we already did in our practice. If you are in our WhatsApp groups, we have already practiced this passage Grimm's Fairy Tales. I have also given this as a mock test, and also the academic PDF that we shared on our channels that had one of the passage was Grimm's Fairy Tales. So my students were very happy, but the ones who did not practice, it was moderate from them. But for me, I think it's quite easy to moderate, or even easy, because you have already practiced. So it was Grimm Fairy Tales. The passage was Grimm Fairy Tales, and this was from mini IELTS as well as IELTS online practice. This passage is from IELTS online practice. The question types were match the yes, no, not given. First few questions were yes, no, not given. Next, the questions was MCQ, choose the correct options. Next, it was summary completion. You had to complete this summary. These are the answers. No, not given. Yes, not given. Yes, no. A, C, D, D, A, H, E, B. So this was passage 3 of the evening. So overall, the reading passage 1 was about Australian desert. Passage 2 was Birth of Blue, and passage 3 was Grimm's Fairy Tale. And overall, it was moderate level. Writing task 1 as predicted was map. The map below shows changes to the ground floor plan of university department in 2000 and 2015. Similar question I have predicted in the October list that had a map of a town called Herban Town, the changes that went into Herban Town. So the students who practiced felt it very easy because they already knew the language, the vocabularies, and the directional language that they should use. And writing 2, again, it was similar to our predicted SLS. In our SLS, the question was the employees at higher ranks earn too much. The many other things that it is not good for other people. So discuss both views. It was something like that. And the real question in the exam came that directors of large organizations earn much higher salaries than ordinary employees do. Some people think it is necessary. Others hold that it is unfair. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So it was, you had to discuss both views. So in BP1, you had to say why directors of large organizations should earn more. And in BP2, you should say why it is unfair, why others, they should be equal. So this question, even morning slot and evening slot, both the questions that came on 9th October came from a website called writing9.com. So I would suggest that go through the latest questions from that site, because many of the exams, the questions are coming from writing9.com. Don't follow the answers because they are not good. Follow the questions that come. So task 1 task 2 for morning slot and evening slot, both were from writing9.com. So this was overall of morning slot. Now moving on to evening slot. Evening slot listening was easy. Part 1 was note completion, that is one word, on some vacation plan, and the answers, again, the answers are not correct. Hecate's 20th March, hiking, surfing, birds, adventure, airport, twin, and 1375. Part 2 was gap and diagram completion, that is fill up and diagram completion, and it was something about industrial materials. Political print discussion, CEDF. And part 3 was MCQ and match the info. These are the answers: BB, AB, AG, HD, EF. Part 4 was note completion, as always, a monologue, and it was a plastic processing, polished, cost, green patterns, worth 0.8, 0%, and black velvet. I don't know how much the answers are correct, so don't rely on them. Reading was overall easy to moderate, or many of the students say it was moderate. Passage 1 was ahead of time. Okay, this passage ahead of times again was from I think mini IELTS and practiceonline.com. The passage was ahead of its time. You can get the passage from the Telegram, don't worry about that. Okay, so the first question type was true, false, not given, and then it was complete the flow chart, and then it was notes, complete the notes, one word. These are the answers of passage 1, that is true, true, false, not given, police, European, radiocarbon, sample 296, race, archaeologist, Australia, and shipwreck. Passage 2, I did not get the passage because there are different variations. I don't know which one is correct. So I'll upload once I get the exact one. It was named something melting the iceberg. So the questions were true, false, not given. So true, false, true, not given, true, not given, true. And then it was summary completion. That is Phillips, rolls, flooring barge, cables, frictions, and current. Passage 3 was called saving endangered language. There are different variations of this passage. One was saving language and one was saving endangered language. So this is the passage that they got in Chennai. Saving endangered languages. This was from miniIELTS.com. As I already told that most of the passages are coming from miniIELTS. So if you had practiced, you would have done it very well. The question types were first were match the information, correct information, match the headings, heading match. Next one was match with people, that is matching features. So you had to match the names with the features, whoever did what or said what. And then next was correct, choose the correct option, A, B, C, D. So these are the answers. So match heading 5, 10, 3, 1, 7, 8, 2. And then matching features C, B, E, A, D, C, B. So overall, the reading passage was easy to moderate. Writing task 1 was a bar chart, and this bar chart is from our predicted list, similar one. The graph below shows the percentage of different types of household waste recycled in a city between 1992 and 2002. Okay. So it was a bar chart as we had predicted, and task 2 was agree disagree as we already predicted. It is impossible to help all people in the world. So government should focus on people in their own countries. So it is impossible to help all people. So government should only focus about their own country people, not others. So do you agree or disagree? So you had to take one side. You agree that they should help only their people, or you should disagree. Don't go for partiality because it will become very confusing and more like discuss essay. So overall, the evening slot, listening was easy, reading was easy to moderate, writing was easy. Let's move on to speaking. Speaking in India, part 1 was on hometown, shoes, and concentration. Part 2 was a time you were friendly to someone you don't like. Another cue card another student got was talk about a car or bike trip you took. And third, another student from Chennai got a time you wasted money on something that we had predicted. So a time you wasted money on something. So we already predicted that the cue cards will be on people and something. So the first and third were same as we told. Now coming to the foreign students. Foreign students, mostly from Saudi, Nigeria, and Morocco, task 1 was exactly same as our essay, our predicted list, which was a chart, table chart on market share of notebook computers from 2006 and 2007. And task 2 was people believe modern technology has made people less socially active, while others say they brought them close. Discuss both and give opinion. So this again was same as our essay predicted list. The speaking cue card was about a cafe that you visited and an old person that you admire in Morocco and in Nigeria. So overall, this was the complete prediction for 9th October. So do watch our predictions that always go true, and take our essay list also for 14th, 16th, 23rd, and 30th October. We are also predicted the November and December dates. So if you're planning to book for them, check the level and then plan. Any help that you need regarding your classes for writing, speaking, or reading, the new batch will be starting after 1 week or 2 weeks. Next week, we are starting listening. So if you are interested, do contact us for the classes and the PDFs. See you soon. Bye-bye. Take care.